Hello everyone, welcome to today's video here at Miss Alice's place. This is the toilet that we actually made. It was complete many months ago. She's among the people that we are looking after in our programs of the community. When I uploaded a video about the prayer meeting, you saw that it rained heavily. Because of too much wind, part of her house collapsed. She was inside, but she survived and she is in good health. So we are going to work on the house. What we are going to do is we are going to build it back again, and then we shall be able to do some plastering to make it look good, and then so to make it more stronger. Let's go and see what happened.
Waliyo wele papa we bafubi, waliyo wele umuyeti we banamulekwa bose, ulinda binywinywe mubanga nibisolo mumezi. Waliyo wele, waliyo wele, waliyo wele, waliyo wele, isi wisaya, niyo hulinda. Waliyo wele, waliyo wele, isi wisaya, niyo huyeta.
Yeah, so we are going to plan, and I will update you on whatever we are going to do with this place. Thank you very much for always watching our videos. See you in the next one. Bye.